Hi, do you want to start a business but you have less than $20 in your pocket? Whether you want to build your own small business or you're doing a job and just want a side hustle, I've got the best tips and tools for you. So stay tuned and let's get started. Step 1. Finding and planning business ideas. Consider what services or products you can offer and solve a problem or meet a need. Then you must create a business plan. If you need, you can find free business plans in the caption or just Google it, you find free templates immediately. Jungleworks offers a platform that helps you quickly put your plan into action. Step 2. Building an online presence. I think everyone already knows it, that having an online presence is essential today. Create a simple website and set up social media channels to showcase your services or products. There are many free tools that can help you to do this. Step 3. Running and growing your business. The last step is to organize your operations and grow your business. With the right tools, you can manage your operations efficiently and let your business grow. Jungleworks offers a suite of tools designed for small businesses. I'll show you next a few examples about businesses which you can start low budget and in your own. First, an online tutoring service. Offer personalized tutoring in academic subjects, either online or in person. Secondly, fitness coaching. Create personalized workout plans and offer fitness training sessions. Also, you can do handyman services, for example, perform basic home repairs and maintenance tasks. For meal prep service, prepare and deliver pre-cooked meals for busy individuals. Then we have babysitting. Offer childcare service to families in your community. The same for pet sitting. Take care of pets and walk dogs for pet owners. Or you can start an online elderly company care. Offer companionship and assistance to elderly individuals. Now it's your turn. Start your own one-person business today. If you want to get started right away, use the tools from Jungleworks. We have a free trial for you. You can find the link in the video description. Subscribe to our channel for more tips like this video and leave a comment if you have any questions or want to share your business idea. Thanks for watching and good luck with your business.